Little yak pot right there. I like when I find gold. And then a silver one. No, that looks like a gold fitting too. And a couple others in there. What is it? Ooh, I like that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, I like that. Brand spanking Nubian, it looks like. That's a good item. Crystal Heart. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it is I, your captain, speaking in the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Shout out to Biggie Smalls. We are here in a cool little unit. I bought this one for one specific reason, and one specific reason only, like I do every unit. Well, sometimes there's more than one reason. I shouldn't say one specific reason, but it's kind of a habit, right? This unit was kind of reasonably priced. The units online these days are out of control, and I'm not one to just throw around money, so I kind of just take my time and I wait for the right units and etc. 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 Great, where in the frick is my key? Here we go. Let's go see if we can find our key. All right, we found our key. The first thing we noticed yesterday was that this unit was what I meant to say was, first thing we noticed is that A, it's full. Second was there's rat poop everywhere. That's why I have my mask on already. I don't usually wear the masks. I don't like the masks, but I will wear them if I have to. I feel like I get sick sometimes these days. Here's how it's going. We have our buddy Ryan coming over. He's gonna come and just basically take most of this unit. I got this pretty cheap. I think I paid $280. No one wanted to bid, and I had a feeling it was just surface toss, but there was a lot of cool stuff you could see, and we're gonna find it right now anyway. It's a gut feeling I have. He's gonna come take most of this and do whatever he wants with it, and I'm gonna take what I want, and we're gonna make a video, and we're gonna get on with our day. All right, I guess we're gonna put our phone on the charger because this son of a biscuit-eating bulldog is about dead, and I need to make some clips of it. Anyway, we're gonna make a video. In the meantime, if you all can hit the like button, the share button, subscribe if you don't already. I appreciate it if you don't. And make sure you have notifications set to all. If you don't get the notifications, unsubscribe and resubscribe. And if you're still having problems, feel free to send me a message at Lockerware, LOCKERWARE at yahoo.com. And please tell me your screen name on YouTube and the video you did not get a notification for, and a link so that I can share that information with YouTube. That's what they recommend. Okay, we're gonna get right to it. I'm just gonna start tearing in here because he's gonna be here soon. First off the bat is, that's kind of cool, right? 10 bucks. We're gonna probably give that to him. We got a stack of lids. There's a couple bucks right there. My main concern is really just, I spend a lot of time going through units and trying to milk a lot of stuff to make money, where in all actuality the money is either a slow profit or it's a fast in the few things. So I'm trying a new thing where I can see if I can just get a few things. Here we go, Bissell Steam Mop Max, 74 bucks. I don't want to show her address, but it is a brand new Bissell Steam Mop. I'm gonna probably set that aside for me, even though it's got cat piss and rat piss all over it. Rat pee in my mouth, rat pee in my mouth. Big cleaner, all-purpose multi-cleaner from Concentrate. That's cool. We're gonna need that at the end of this day. Some dishes. Those are kind of cool. Woo, 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 woo. $6. $6. $6 you own. Jeep. Back seat of my Jeep. Let's make an episode. Back seat of my Jeep. I like that. Almost. Here we have what looks like a coffee machine. I think I peeked in this box yesterday, and it was a basically brand new Keurig. Now, I might actually keep that for home, so we're gonna set that aside. Also, we gotta make money. We have $280 in expenses, and we need to make profit. But this is a nice little piece of furniture. I'll probably keep that. That's a good 30 bucks right there. Like I said, I gotta keep some stuff. But my thought is how I alleviate the time and money, and I can get on to the next unit as well. So that's why we're practicing this turn and burn mentality. Look at that, all sorts of cool Tupperware. Where's the lids at? No. Little woman will say no. Little woman, I love you. If you're watching, Jess, shout out to you. Look at that white Sierra, purple jacket. Brand new NutriBullet right there is 40 bucks. Rapid skillet. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere, right? Are we getting somewhere? Some clothes, nope. Instapot. H2O 5-in-1 steam mop. We're gonna bring this home for the little woman because she loves mopping and steaming and vacuuming and basically she likes stuff clean. That's what she likes. She likes stuff clean. See if she likes that. We got a mirror. I like it. Look, I see myself. I can see already almost our money back really in the little bit we found here so far. I can literally see it. Nutcracker. Crock pot. Another one. Light bulbs. Like $6 in light bulbs. Clothes. Not too fond of clothes right now. Clothes. $8 in kitchen stuff right here. At least $8. You like that? Very modest. Just trying to get into something here. No. Really ran through very hard. I see money. I see parts. Kind of like that. I think it's just costume jewelry and stuff, and then I'm thinking, hey, that's a cool necklace, but that is part of the necklace. Made in Philippines. There's a gold necklace right there. That makes me happy. Little yak pot right there. I like when I find gold. That's the whole everything there. Holy sh! Maybe 2 pieces. Look at that. And then a silver one. No, that looks like a gold fitting too. I like it. We'll set this aside over here in our pile for later. Alright, so we're continuing on. Chemicals. Chemicals. I don't want chemicals. Heavily tossed. Heavily tossed. Looks like a brand new fresh instant packing paper. This is fun so far, right guys? Just trying to find anything to film currently. That's kind of neat. It's nothing special, but it's definitely something. Toomey. It's a little bit used. I'll probably just keep sitting that over here in this pile. Toomey's not a cheap brand. Cuisinart. Looks to be brand newy. Kung Fu Louie. Remember when those used to be a thing? Before Google came along and became all cookbooks. So it's looking like a lot of junk so far. I don't know. Are we going to get into something good? Oh. Tefal. That's a $5 pot. That's a $2 Pyrex bowl all day. So we got that and a couple others in there. That's like a $15 box, but that is every storage unit. That is 99% of storage units, really. This is a lampshade. It's a nice leather chair. I think I'm keeping this. This goes to Abyssal, and I think it's been like left open, and rats have walked in on it. So I don't know if the little woman's gonna really like it. But I'm gonna bring it home. Got a little bit of makeup here. Looks to be new. Some Revlon. some prime time bare minerals. That is definitely open stuff there, but this looks like to be all new makeup or slight, maybe used once. I'm gonna set that aside because we do the makeup in the auctions quite often. You guys can see what I'm seeing right here. Soft wax. Every permanent marker you never wanted. These things are kind of cute. We got car rusted it all. Yeah. Do we have one thing cool in here? What is it? Ooh. I like that. It's a neat little calligraphy set. That is different. That is kind of tight. Hopefully he will take the time to find more out about that and see if it's something, because that'll go in his pile. We got another one. Maybe brass. The boxes are rather messy. Current temperature. What is this? This thing is neat. No. Seasonal dishes. Nice. Okay, I think that was Rachel, right? I don't know. That's a couple $1 box. Sounds a lot of stuff for the kitchen. Alright, what's in this Sephora bag? Eyelashes. Okay. Literally it is. Wow. Tons of eyelashes. It is. Wow. Alright. We got a basket. We got a frame. We got a bag. We got a loofah bar. I don't know what you call them. Okay, so we're just getting into lots of regular things here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, no. That's just parts. Sadly, we got one silver ring with a little bit of a fire opal looking piece in there. That looks like maybe gold right there. And yeah, that was a little bit saddening. And we have this right here, whatever is inside be treasure. No, it is their painting stuff. That's what you get, pirate, for being so antsy. And is this even gold here? That could be gold. I'll take a deeper look at that right there. Wait a minute here. Oh, I thought we had a Mont Blanc right here. Well, that's a shame because this was brand new. But it's been open and sitting out with the rats walking across it. I won't take that home in my house. I just not. It defeats the purpose of cleaning my carpet if I'm using a machine that I have to clean. No. Glue guns, icy hot. Okay. Let's see. Very poorly packed and completely rooted. I had more hopes for this unit that I'm having right now. I'm not mad. This is like a lot of profit here. A lot. I only paid $280 for the storage unit, but this is some just throw it out on the market and let it ride, you know? Okay, so that's kind of cool. I like that. Brand spanking new bin, it looks like. Right on. That's a good item. What else do we got here? We get another one? Yes, we got a white one. I don't know what those are worth. Maybe 50, 60 bucks without digging too far. Oh yes, another one. That's exciting. Tell me a joke. You bought this storage unit, Pirate. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Whew. Jokes and spaghetti. That's kind of nice. An otter box. Right? A Belkin case for a Kindle Fire. No. And that. A brand new photo frame. Alright, well that was kind of cool because we got into something that was like the most exciting item I found so far in this storage unit, I think, minus the gold. What do y'all think? Right now we're knee deep in this. I got this mask on because it is freaking... Anyway, we got a lot more to go. What do you guys think? Like the world's smallest candles. What do you light these and they're done? I don't know. It's a whole bunch of stuff inside of a